Hello guys, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto Daily. In today's video we are going to make the video for Blum latest updates about the linking your email. So our linking email is in Blum. It is very important because it is a fact of securing your account, because like maybe later they are going to provide it like an alternative login, that way that you can log into your Blum without logging to Telegram mini app. So before we go directly into our video, if this is your first time to across my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload the video. So let's go together. So the Blum linking to Blum, the email linking to your Blum Telegram mini app, like it is not like a constant text that you need to see it when you enter your Telegram mini app for Blum. So it's just used to being showing up, like it is just a pop-up in your screen, in your home screen when you open like a Blum Telegram mini app. So if the security check, or like the method like another method to log in your purpose of linking email to the Blum Telegram mini app, it is just a purpose of security, like to improve your Blum Telegram mini app security. Like no one can access your Telegram mini app for Blum, or like no one can use a method like when the checker is out, or when the like allocation is being out for the Blum Telegram mini app. No one can impersonate you to go and claim you are talking like without being your permission. So because a linking email would give you a chance like to make it like authenticate, or like it is a two-factor authenticator that you need to be like using whenever you need to claim you're talking directly. Like you need to import it, the email address that you have, like email address that you have linking your Blum Telegram mini app. So definitely you are going to receive the code within the same email that you have linked your Blum Telegram mini app. It is not like a thing that you need to like bothering yourself like why did I not get the email address linking. It is not a big deal. It is as simple as like as they can give you, like if you made it like consistent login into your Blum Telegram mini app, like you used to log in daily. So definitely like that was a day that will come that you will see the shown message like pop up in your screen, in your home screen for your phone, like you just going to re-login it to. I decided to make this video because like too many users like have been complicated, like why did I not get the email verification. It does mean like I'm not eligible, or I'm not qualified for the airdrop, or something like happening. It is not like that. You are really qualified, but you have to be patient until they send you the email verification authenticity. So you need to, it is just authenticity. You don't need to bother yourself. It is just to verify yourself like you are really human, and the security. So you just have to calm down. The message, like the showing message to link your email, would be coming your way. So here it is. If this is the first time to across my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video.